We are now able to help our clients save on all credit card processing fees through our Wave It cash discount program. Eliminate credit card processing fees altogether. Wave It eliminates all of the percentage rates and fees that you are currently paying and replaces that with a flat rate of just $39 a month, no matter how much you process, how many transactions, or the kind of cards. So a business processing $100,000 a month will save on average $30,000 plus a year. At any point, if you want to switch back to regular or traditional processing, we are able to do that within 24 hours. We also guarantee that our traditional processing rates would have an overall savings of 25% on average compared to the rates you pay now. So, no matter what, there is no risk of trying this. We are so confident in our product and customer service that there's absolutely no early termination fees, so you can cancel at any time with no penalty. Currently, we have over 150,000 clients on the Wave It program, including Harrah's Casino, Aria Casino, Dairy Queen, Wiener Schnitzel, Phoenix Suns, Dallas Cowboys, Arizona Cardinals, Dallas Stars, Arizona Diamondbacks, Oakland Athletics, and many more. Give me a call so you can start saving today. I look forward to hearing from you.